Hey, sugar boo. I saw this white girl on TikTok say that, so I think I'm gonna make it my new greeting. Anyways, welcome back to another hair review / tutorial here on my channel, Putting Up with the Pompons. We are gonna get into the details on this look, creating another crochet wig. Y'all know I love creating these versatile looks, so let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And before I go any further, let me not forget to invite you to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button, hit the bell so you can get all the notifications every time we upload. Jumping straight into this, I received these butterfly box braids, jungle braids from Amazon. Someone sent them to me to give them a try. I wanted to install them the regular crochet braid way, where you install it to the foundation of your braids, versus doing my regular crochet wigs on here. I just wanted to switch it up. Well, honey, I should have stuck to my bread and butter, because I ended up taking these suckers out. I ran into so many problems with installing these. The first thing, like after I opened up like the third pack, it smelled to high heaven. It smelled like dirty carpet, old socks. I don't know, but it was terrible. Absolutely pissed me off. Then I felt like I had to like be really frugal with the hair. Like I felt like I couldn't really get the fullness that I wanted. I made about halfway through the process realizing that I wasn't even at my halfway through my head. I don't know if it's because I made the foundation of my braids too small or what, but it just was not giving. All right, y'all, so I am 3 packs in. They sent me a total of 8 packs of hair, and I'm not even like at my halfway mark. I'm gonna just go ahead and take these out and just stop here, because I'm not about to put no smelly ass hair in my head. This could be better. This is one of those. This could be better. For one, I just think the trend of jingle braids is just like not me. After I removed those funky jungle box braids out of my head, I really was going to throw this hair in the trash, but the frugal side of me would just not allow me to throw away free freaking hair, even if it's terrible. I just have to find a way to make it work. So I decided to go back to my bread and butter and do a crochet wig. That way I can at least wash the funky ass hair, let it air dry, and then, you know, go into styling it and all that good stuff. So I did not record me making the crochet wig, but I do have several other videos on how I create them. You can always check those out. They will be linked up at the top of this video or down below. And I'm going to try this on now to see if we can make this a look. It really puzzled me on why this hair was absolutely terrible. And y'all know I usually do like my goodbye or goodbye series. Definitely a deuces to this one. Don't even bother. Matter of fact, when I went back to the Amazon account to kind of like look it up, it's no longer available. So I think they knew what was going on with this, and they sent it to me anyway. I don't appreciate that. So I definitely felt like I wasted my motherfucking time, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, so I'm trying to make this do what it do, but it ain't doing very much, okay? Gave y'all a quick little head wrap tutorial. I like to tie it down real quick. This is not, you know, how I'm gonna go out, but I tie it down real quick so I can kind of manipulate it, put it in a bun. That way it doesn't slip off of my head. And I try to do like a big top bun, and it was all right. As you can see, I do have some gaps, so I will go back and fill those in. I like to do the top bun so I can like see where I need to fill in and put in more braids. Now, even though this was an absolute fail for me, I do not want you babes to miss out on how I style my crochet wigs. I have other videos on that as well that will be provided down below or at the top of this video. So if you don't use this hair, I have other hair that I use. And this is the first crochet wig that I've made, and it was just trash. All right, so let's at least talk about the details of the hair. I will at least do that, and then I will give my final opinion about everything and let you know whether or not I think this is a goodbye or a goodbyes. All right, so the details on the hair. I received 8 packs of these jungle, whatever butterfly effect looking distressed braids these are called. I received them from Amazon. Comes with 12 strands per little bundle, so you're getting 8 packs. So 12 times 8, you're looking at 96 strands or individual braids. I use a total of exactly 7 to create this crochet wig. It is 20 inches long, and it was I think $44 on Amazon. I originally tried to install this, of course, trying to do it with the like regular crochet braid method with my cornrows, just crocheting it through my hair. It is not my favorite. It definitely is not coming close to being a top 5 or anything like that, but I was able to make it work to where it is somewhat of a look. And another issue for me is that they stunk to high heaven. I felt like I was running out of hair. Another downside for it was these aren't the neatest braids ever. This pack was like the worst out of all 8 packets. They all pretty much smell pretty bad. It smells like some funky like carpet or socks or something. The frugal side of me just will not allow me to throw away all this hair without making it work in some kind of way. But yeah, it's a no for me. It is a no for me. I don't really particularly care for this like trend. I don't understand why we need to have this like butterfly effect on the braids, and then we call them jungle braids or jingle braids, whatever. So of course, if you want to know other ways to style your crochet wig, I'm not going to be putting all that into this video because I feel like I've covered enough of my disappointment in this video. I do have the link down below of the YouTube video showing all of my ways I style my crochet wig. I also have my Amazon storefront in the description box as well. You can click on that and shop all of the other crochet braids that I have sported and reviewed, and all of that hair is on my Amazon storefront. Thank you guys for joining us on another hair review / tutorial on my channel. If you stuck it out after I told you this hair stunk, like honey, you are A1. I appreciate you. Thank you guys, and we will see y'all on another one. Be blessed and be safe.